So the next one is a playwright topic. So that is a playwright instructor. Okay. So playwright instructor. So by using this playwright instructor, how we can record a user actions and how we can export that script. Okay, and how we can write a after copying the after exporting the script, how we can segregate in our test cases. Okay, and also we can perform. This tool has this capability. We can debug the scripts in the runtime. We can change the locator or we can identify the locators. Let's see those features in this session. Okay. So as we know, so this is a kind of uh, playwright dev. Okay, playwright dev is a main site where you can find all the documentation. Okay, so we are going with this Java, right? So Java lines. So if you want a different kind of lines, the documentation will be changed, right? So now, so let's go to the here. There is a section called code gen. Okay, so here the detailed explanation is explained here. So how to generate some recorded code. Okay, so by using this playwright instructor, we have a ability to create a like user actions. We can record. Okay, so how to record that? Okay, so there is a CLI command and prompt. Okay, so the primary condition for is in your system Maven should be set. So the first video, right? I was telling like we have to install properly. So but because of this section, okay. In your machine, Maven version, MVN type. Suppose if you type MVN, okay. So you have to set Java path and Maven home. Okay, after reach. So it should become like this. If it is having internal error, external error, so this particular CLI will not be executed, and you are not able to use, you could not able to use your playwright instructor feature. Okay, so let's see that. So let me copy this one and I will explain what are the things are there in that. So let me, yeah. So this is the one. So it is the first one is a Maven command and exe executable thing and a Java file and these are the like debugging commands. Okay, attachment like logging. Okay, logging purpose and things. And we are executing from Java main class is equal to playwright of CLI. So this is a playwright. We integrated already playwright in our IntelliJ, right? So that's what from here. And we are providing a one argument. Okay, args means executable argument. Args, D mean detaching. Okay, so who are having a CLI knowledge, so the people can understand this minus D and minus this. But as of now, we don't require here. Just you need to Maven command. We are executing a one Java file, and it is basis of playwright CLI, and so this is a code gen is a command. Till that it is a command. Till that it is a command. Right. So after that, so there is a demo playwright dev and to do MVC list. It is a application name. So which application you want to provide? Okay. Which application you are going to record the actions? That application URL you have to place it here. Base URL or URL. Okay. So let me clear this one. Yeah. So for that, right, I prepared the above one. Yeah. So the same thing. So after 4gen, right? So I added our open source. Okay, open source demo Orange HRM live application to login page. So this is our there. Let's copy this particular uh, command line. Okay, command and go to our IntelliJ. Right. So in the IntelliJ, so you have right click this project name. What project you have created in Maven project, and here you have a open in, there is a command prompt option should be visible. So just click this terminal. Okay. So terminal in the sense it is a command prompt. So now you can see that this project, test project is already integrated with the our Playwright. Okay, Playwright Microsoft .com dot com dot playwright dot Microsoft. Right. So that is so just a right click and paste it. Okay. So this command, after filing this command, click on enter. So automatically that browser will open. Okay, and it show that two windows. Okay, so let me segregate that. Yeah, maybe my highlighter. Yeah. So this is the one feature. Like this will have like kind of extra feature other than Selenium. Okay, so now you can see this is the Playwright inspector. Okay, this is the playwright inspector, and so there is a automatic code is generated till which till where we can generate the code. So playwright instance is created, and also browser instance is created. Okay, and browser context is created, a page is open, and we navigate to the particular URL, what URL we have provided. Okay, so after that also you can do some actions on that. Those actions will be recorded and inserted the commands automatically. Okay, so now I will explain some kind of overview of the options which are having this particular in Playwright inspector. You see, record. Okay, record, right? Let me highlight. One second. Where is the inspector? Okay. So this toolbar, let me recall this one. So there is a red button and recording. It is in recording mode, and it is inspect mode, and there are some kind of toolbars. So this is a copy. Okay, you can copy your code, pause. Okay, playback or pause. Okay, and step over these things. And also we have a kind of a target library. So what is meant by target libraries? So this particular playwright tool which support many languages. So Java, okay, Node.js, okay, and Python and C#. So which format type of code you want? Suppose you want a PyTest. So this code will convert as a PyTest, and you can use the copy and you can use your code in your respective IntelliJ. Okay. So suppose you want to change to any unit, the code will be converted automatically to any unit. So this is having a ability like a playwright inspector. So currently we are using Java, so we will use libraries only. Within that we have a JUnit also. Okay, so JUnit testing. So right now we are go with the Java libraries. Okay, so this is that. So now coming back to the browser level. Okay, so we have explored that inspector level tooltips. Now you can see there are section. You can see this is the browser level. Come some kind of icons with respect to the recording mode. That is recording, inspecting. Okay, some features are there. Okay, let's explore one by one. Yeah. So whenever I mouse over, right, so it is highlighting. So and highlighting and showing some kind of predefined locators. Locators. Okay. So how generally we used to see this kind of thing whenever inspect. Okay. Whenever we have to do some inspector in that right click by inspecting the debugger tool, there we can see that the data. So automatically this is particular playwright inspector will have ability to pick those default locators and it can be visible. Okay. So now I want to check this particular login is displayed. Okay. The first step I want to record. So click this one. Okay, and here we have a assertion icon. I think. So visibility, yeah, asset. Okay, so this is the asset icon. Click it. Okay, so assert that the element contains login. Okay, yes, accept. So the state is added here, right? So assert that. Okay, page dot role, get by role, aerial of some heading, contents of login. This one is recorded. Okay, and now we want to enter the data inside this. Let's see that. So let me click and add it. So already the 17th line. You can see. Let me highlight that. The 17th line. So by using the page data placeholder locator and username backside the value, the HTML value, and fill the admin. Okay. Yes. Now where is the cursor? My cursor is the same place. So now instead of clicking, I use for a tab command, and it will insert the tab command value. Okay. Let me see tab. The press tab, right? This is the extra line where you can remove it. So after that, we'll enter the admin 123. So what are the action you, if you double click it will be recorded something. Okay, careful that recording time. Or once you record it, you can delete unwanted step as well. Okay, so click on submit. Right. So now I want to click some on the menus one by one. Okay, let's do one by one. Click on admin. Right, and it is it and PMI model. Okay, leave model. Okay, time model, experiment model, my info, performance, dashboard. Okay, you can record a number of actions. Yes, till now it's fine. So now we can see, uh, we can stop. Okay, we can stop or we can directly copy paste. Okay, first we'll copy paste. So either you can copy paste like this or you can directly take the copy. Okay, so like after taking the copy, so what we need to do, open our Eclipse, we can create one class. Okay, you can do any class name. So by default, this inspector will give the class name as example. Okay, you can rename it. Okay, let me do that. So now recording. Okay, so this is my class name. So let me package is same, but I will copy everything. So the default class name is same, right? So I will change to my class name. Record. Refactor our code, rename the file name, copy, take this one. Okay. So by the way, I recorded. So all are recorded script, right? We copied in here. So we are not looking for a inspecting element. Automatically the inspector, like Playwright inspector will capture all these things. So let's we'll run this program. We'll see that. Okay. So let's run this one and see the execution. Yeah. So it opened the application, right? And also open. Yeah, it is login, clicking on leave, time, model, with remain model, myself. Okay. Yes. So now we can change the different browser type paths. Let's see the execution as well without any changing. Just I change the Firefox browser. So this time Firefox will open and run our execution. Some problem I think. Maybe the drivers are updated. Let's see WebKit. WebKit. I changed to WebKit browser. Safari. WebKit in the sense Safari. So in the Windows application, Safari browser will not be available, but Playwright has a capability to open that WebKit utility. So it is not launching. Something, some issue is there. So there is a like driver related issue. So WebKit 2070 does not have some kind of bunnies or got removed. No problem. Let me try Firefox. That. Okay. So there is a problem kind of thing. I think because of some CLI. Some browser got updated, but it was not installed in our case. When new version came, I think this was not found in that. Okay. So let's later point of time I fix it, but this is the way. Problem, right? So our Chromium browser will work, but it should work all the browser. But right now in my machine I have some problem. That is the case. Yeah. Okay. So it is working fine. So the next point, the next topic is we need to debug. So this inspector have a one more ability, have a debug on the fly. Okay, on that execution time. So where so why? Because this feature does not have any other tool like Selenium or the Cypress. So in the live execution, you can pause your script and you can analyze like you can differentiate your locator. If at all locator is not changed, you can find out immediately. Okay. So to do that, so we need a one command here. So pause. Okay. Page dot pause. Okay, this wherever you want to pause your script using kind of instructor. Okay, the playwright instructor. So if I if I not put this particular line of code pause, so the inspector will not be open. Normal execution will happen, right? So if I put this page dot pause, immediately that playwright inspector will page is open, the browser window open, and you can see the things. So normal way on the executing. Yes. See now once one window is our new page and playwright new page, another window is a recorder. Okay. So this playwright inspector. So right now there is no code because already code is there. Right now we are inspecting while you are running the time. You want to compare your locators and there website and your locators. This feature does not have other tools. So let me do that. And I told you, right? There are debuggers. There is a resume window and a step over window. So we saw in that IntelliJ right here. So debugging from the IntelliJ, the Java level, but this will have a browser level by using Playwright Inspector. Okay, so let's see by clicking on this one. So till which page, which extent we executed till now, right? So till now, what was happened? Playwright instance is created. Okay, Playwright instance is created, and browser also instance is created, and there is a page also opened. So we paused here. So after resume, so it will now open the this particular navigate to this particular URL. So let's see that one. So here step over is the option to execute that line. Yeah, sorry, I did two times here. And here I'll show you a few things here. Oh, yeah. So these are the locators. Okay. So these are the locators you can see. So and I will highlight few things here. Better. Okay. So there is a red icon. So where the current step is going. So this is a red symbol icon is there in the browser level. And also we have a what happened? I think time of something will happen. Let me rerun. Okay. Let me clear the existing things. Yeah. Please observe here in the locator logs and the screen. So let me step over this one and you can see some log is generated. Right? So we have paused the script. Okay, the current script is executing this. So we need to run this script. Okay, so play page dot navigate. Okay, so this one. So step over. So this is executing now, and you can see that there are some actions are going on. So like yeah, so it is navigating to the particular site and waiting until load. Okay, wait until load. Then there is a 3.2 milliseconds or seconds, seconds, 2 seconds time took. Okay, and it waited for the click. Somewhere we clicked it, I think. Yeah. So these are the actions. Log actions are generated automatically. And oh, whenever I'm clicking on that locator, it is closing. Sorry for the technical. Yeah. So it paused. What is right? You can click any point of time. So yeah. So let's see. So till it is executed, and now frame. So frame is checking like our assertion, right? So that log is expecting the heading is okay, and you can see that the cursor red icon is moving, right? So whenever the steps is completed, and admin, so after that move to password. So, so by the way, you can see all the execution debugging is. So this feature, so very like a new feature to other tools. So on the fly, you can stop and you can debug. So which is a locator, okay? So this get role of role indicator. So we can identify whether it is there or here or you can see by seeing the differentiation you can come to know. So currently we have given this one. mouse overing that runtime, it may suppose tomorrow it was changed to or like requirements. This is error. So we can compare it. Okay, by this way. Okay. So that's all about that playwright inspector. I will share you this code as well. So this kind of links and commands. Okay. So let's do that. So let me explain. Okay, I'm done for the session, but let me explain the assignments. Okay. I think assignment 4, right? 3, 2, 1. Hard one, fourth one. It is the fourth one. So, I told you that there are two. One is reverse string storage. Split, yeah. String functions we have to by using split function, and there is a reverse. Yeah, reverse is a string. Reverse the string using character method. Character method. Character. Okay, so that is the first one. And second one is like what you do is by using inspector. Okay, so what is our site overall which are management tool, right? So so record all those things whatever I recorded, right? So record all the every module. Okay, so let me record all every module. So each module you can create a one method. Okay, suppose in first session or yesterday session, I think we refactoring the code, right? Where is the code? Refactoring. Okay. And then, yeah, I will give the example. Okay. So this is the code. Okay. You create, this is the opening browser, right? You can create a one function and each module, right? So this is a login functionality. You can create a one function called login. Okay. Put the code. And after that, right? This line, right? We are clicking a admin page, PMI page. So every page you can create a one method and put that the statement in that method. And in main method, you can call all the members. So that way you can, okay. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so you have anything?